Hi, welcome to back my channel VGR Learn channel. Today I will tell you the ChatGPT writing prompt, 25 different writing prompts I will tell you. Let us go to the screen record. Thank you. This video is going on long, that's why you can continuously watch this video without missing any prompt, which prompt you are like and subscribe and share my which prompt you are very useful have frequently used, that please comment. Thank you. Let us go to this product description. Catch to 3 to 5 words, valuable positions, and this target audience, primary points, and primary result benefit, achieving key goals, common backs, and this. The first feature is the benefit of focusing description. Second feature is the benefit of focusing description. Third is the benefit of focus description. This is the product. It is shown in this product. This is the way it produces. That is very useful and right prompts in 25 prompts I will show you in the very long video. Please watch this video till the end. This video is very useful. Which prompt you mostly used daily needs and which prompt you most like, please also comment. Please subscribe, share, comment your opinion. Thank you. Your VGR learner. Video. Hi, welcome to back VGR learner. Today is the ChatGPT write prompts, 25 prompts I will tell you. That is video is so long, that's why I can watch that till the end. Which prompt is the useful, how many times you can use, please comment. Thank you. First one is the write a professional email. Then open your ChatGPT also. Any browser, log in this. After open ChatGPT and click this first prompt. Write a professional email, then upload. This prompt inquire request to dear name and I hope email. This is the format is given, schedule of the meeting, follow-upping is given. This type of 3 types of options are providing. First one is the formal inquiry request, second schedule of the meeting request, and third one the following the topic. And this, the next one is the write formal letter, then copy this, write formal letter, then upload this one. This is the first your state address, your city, zip code, your phone number, email address, and reception name, and organized company name, organized address, and zip code. Sir or madam, doctor, and depending on this. The body paragraph, opening paragraph this way, and body paragraph provide background details and explain required supporting main points and paragraphs. The closing paragraph summarize your call action, accepted next step, and the sincerely signature of printed letter and your print name. This is the title of application. The another option is the write a friend email. Friendly email, friend email, paste this one and this, write friend email. This is the right friend email is given by the reaching out, checking in friends, casual colleagues, and hope this name and best your name and quick favor request warm casual letter and thank you for following this. Thank you much. These 3 type of more letters are given. The write in better way. Write in better way. You best rewrite could be tell me which specifications you want. Define this overall this goal you are remaining. This command is appears. Then next command is the improve grammar. Please fix the text you want to fix. This will clean the grammar you write and take this paste. Then the professional email format letter. This is the given punch marks and commas, full stops make this very clear and professionally. This is the utilizing of the ChatGPT. The another command is the and punctuations. The fix spelling and punctuations is given this. You can copy another folder. You can go to this or documentation and now I will give this one. What is next step is given this ChatGPT. Observe this. Then click this one. This is some spelling mistakes are there. I will know. This is the okay. After that, the make it more precious. Then make it is more precious. The please paste the specified text. You can make specified text. Then copy again this text. Copy and upload. This is given most precious. And after that, go to another command. Make it more engage. Open and type this one. Make it more engage. Watch this. Differently produce this one. Content writing articles. This. After that, another prompt. Shorten text. Short this text. Yes. The shortened text is this email formal letter. This one. You observe this. What are the difference? Clearly observe. The expand this text. Say type this, expand this text, and give this again. This is the expand this text command is the right prompt. As email expanded this. You observe this 4 lines are given. The first 2 lines, 2.5 lines. This is the 4 lines. Simplify this text. This prompt is given this, and again I will copy this. What is going on the different? You observe the same subject. That is the observation purpose. I take only one subject in this. What is the main difference? I will observe anybody can observe this same text, and this prompt is observe this. Shorten those lines is the single line. You observe this. This is the very useful to student to analyze the your paragraph, your essay writing, and short question answers and big question answers, expanded question answers. Also, it is very useful for student, teachers, and faculties, professionals. Okay, now next option is the write a blog post. This option is the blog post. Is observe this introduction first. First key point of the key takeaway, highlights of important concept in bold. Add to quick second key points here, the benefit and benefit B. Explain why this matter. Benefit B is show how to save time and money effectively. Benefit C give the real world experience action. This way, expose. Write article. The article introduction, changing landscape, and this is the coming focus on value, not just hope. Look at the another prompt is the right LinkedIn post. Right LinkedIn post. This is the LinkedIn post. Shift focus on old way to new way and stop overcoming process tools for prioritize and key metric value and metric this way. Then another prompt is the right tutor and exposed. Always given this pattern, you observe this. Similar topic is given action, stop overthinking it, action to constant preparedness, keep it smile, short punch, eye engagement, the skill goal, art take, conversion start, and common better alternatives. The another option is the right Instagram post. The storytelling and keep it smile, constant perfection, focus on long-term results, and personal growth and mindset matter. Daily tips creating. The another one is the write a YouTube description. This instead of video title, intro, and topic point two, common mistakes avoid, pro tips summarize, and download free guide templates. Website copy. Write a website copy. Then press this one. The transfer your core benefit without major pain points is the no credit card required, setup under 5 minutes, cancel anytime, social proof banners, and trusted 10,000 plus creators, founder, and a team of the worldwide log 1, log 2, log 3, log 3, log 5. The key value of pillars is the fast and effortless. The feature of the name built for result and feature name 3 scalable goal, testimonial collected, and bottom call to action. This is the procedure. After that, create catch headlines. Create catch headlines. This one. How to act oriented and curiosity gap counter, invalid listless value diversion. This after that. Write a press release. The ChatGPT is analyzing this. Write a press release. Show code is the press release is the coming this way. This is the company name and this executive name, title, company name, key features, benefits are there. Name proprietor contact, director of communication, proprietor manager, media company name, phone numbers. This way is. After that, write a story. You observe this story is written this way. This is the story is written this much story, nearly 4.4 minutes to 14 seconds. Write a poem. You observe this. This poem is I see it slip quite care before your son released today. This is the way. And that write a script. Write a script. Above one poem and type this. Above one digital excellence experience rated 16 seconds. The narrator voice and visualization, audio, music, voice over. This way is given the script. You observe the screen and after that, summarize this text. Clear, easy to read, built-in points. This is the summarize test. Is the once again I will copy this ChatGPT prompt in this ChatGPT only. Then this is a summarize this total. How many is there? That's why it's summarized total 25. This one in 60 seconds. After that, write product description. Then open that, check